Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over the recently released announcement from 88 Energy, ticker symbol EEENF. Also going to break down the charts and give you my price prediction on EEENF towards the end of the video. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. If you find value in today's video, if you enjoy our updates, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with EEENF and among other stocks that we keep up with, such as Zion Oil and Gas, Tesla, occasional IDEX, IQST, hemp, just the overall market conditions. We also share some videos on how to read technical analysis like I do on all of my videos, as well as share some financial information every now and again as well. So let's go ahead and dive into it. This was released by 88 Energy. It says, kind of goes through the highlights here. I'm going to read kind of through the whole thing because typically the highlights are kind of repetitive when I get into the paragraph. So it says 88 Energy is pleased to provide an update on operations as it recently acquired Project Longhorn conventional oil and gas production assets in the proven Permian Basin onshore Texas. US 88 Energy has a circa 73% average net working interest in these established production assets, which have independently certified net 2P reserves 2.05 MMBOE. In March 2022, the operator of Longhorn production asset successfully completed the first of a series of capital efficient workovers planned after the completion of the Longhorn acquisition. This workover was completed on time and on budget and has delivered an immediate increase to the total oil and gas production rates of the project. So it says production of the Longhorn wells exceed 400 BOE per day gross, and at the end of March 2022, this represents an increase of over 30% since the completion of the acquisition in mid-February 2022. The production increase provides additional direct exposure to the higher WTI oil price environment and accelerates payback on both the acquisition and of the assets and the capital investment in the workovers. Project Longhorn has exceptionally low operating costs, which provides high margins from production. First cash receipts from Project Longhorn were received by 88 Energy in March 2022, which comprised a payment of approximately $0.06 million net to 88 Energy. So the project that acquisition, basically what they're saying that they had from Project Longhorn is already starting to pay them out and going well. So it looks like it's excuse me, a good acquisition on their part. Project Longhorn remains on track to complete the targeted 7 capital development activities this year, which is expected to approximately double the current production rates by the end of 2022, which you could only expect double the production, production, which would probably increase revenues, which would increase the payouts to 88 Energy. The acquisition of Project Longhorn represents 88 Energy's first move into producing oil and gas assets and is in line with the company's strategy to build a successful exploration and production company. The initial step has been undertaken in measured fashion via the purchase of a non-operated working interest in the single basin focus. Project Longhorn contains well understood geology with low technical risk and provides a near-term upside via low-cost field development opportunity. And then this is from Managing Director and CEO Ashley Gilbert. Says 88 Energy is pleased with the production performance at the Project Longhorn, especially in this high oil price environment. We're also highly encouraged by the successful delivery by the operator of the first planned workover, as well as the continued progress to agree with capital development program for 2022. This program is expected to result in a strong cash flow outcomes and further direct exposure to the current high energy prices. 88 Energy is in a solid financial position with zero debt and a healthy cash balance that is expected to be further strengthened with projected cash flows from the Project Longhorn Texas production asset. So it goes on, kind of gives you an outlook of the gross reserves, gives you a map of where everything's happening in the Permian Basin. This will be linked in the description below if you want to take a look at that. So some more good news for 88 Energy, and we're going to take a look at the charts, see what they're telling us, and I'll kind of give you my prediction moving forward. All right, guys, taking a look at 88 Energy, ticker symbol EEENF, and you see here, this was around the time where they announced that number 2 was a fail, and it fell down all the way to 0.0065. And we talked about how it could stay here for a while before making its way back up. We're just waiting on some type of announcement or news, and this could be one that pushes it back up a little bit. I don't expect it to pop all the way to like 3 or 4 cents, but it could bust through that first resistance level here, about 0.015. But however, forgive me for being a little pessimistic here, because every time I think that good news is here and something's going to happen, it usually falls lower. So I'll have to just kind of wait and see. Again, volume's the name of the game. So if you get some volume here and some buying pressure, it'll push it up above there. I'm not sure exactly how much you'll see, however. So I currently don't own any of this. I am just watching currently, but we'll keep you updated as time goes along. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.